This old copy of The Color Purple just came into my antiquarian bookshop. Let's figure out together if it's a first edition. This book was published by Harcourt, Brace, and Jovanovich in 1982, and that means it is perfect for one of our reference books that we use quite a bit for 20th century American publications in particular. That's Zimpel and Verkler, a first edition, A Guide to Identification. We go to the entry for Harcourt, Brace, Jovanovich. There's a 1981 statement, which is perfect because our book is 1982. Let's see what they say. On the first printing, the words first edition appear on the copyright page. Easy. On each subsequent printing, the phrase first edition is dropped and then the printing is identified by letter. So the second printing is identified by the letter B, the third printing is C, etc. That sounds very straightforward, but you have to remember that's a little different from how most other publishers do it. With the exception of Random House, who does something very similar, publishers in this era tended to do something like A or the number 1 to represent the first printing independent of the first edition statement. So it can be a little confusing to see first edition and then see a B because you think, is that a first edition? Is that a first printing? I'm not sure if that's right. But according to Zimpel and Verkler, if you're handling a book from Harcourt in this era, then that's what you're looking for. First edition stated. Let's take a look at our copyright page. We have first edition stated B, C, D, E. We don't need to have the A there because first edition stands for that for Harcourt, Brace, Jovanovich. We know that this is a first edition, first printing of The Color Purple.